Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are solving reverse linked list. So let's dive right into it. So we're gonna be given the head of the singly linked list, and we're gonna reverse the list and return the reversed list. So for example, if we have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're gonna reverse it and we're gonna make it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the way we're going to solve this is we're going to move each element one by one to the head of the list. So if we have a list here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are going to make it 2, 1, 3, 4, 5 first, and we're going to move 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we are going to have some pointers to do this. First, we're going to have the original head pointer, which is given. And we're going to have a new head pointer, which will be at the head of the linked list at all times. And then we're going to have a second pointer, which will point to the node that we want to move. So if we want to move the 2, a node with 2 first, so that's where the S pointer or second pointer will be at. So by having those pointers, we can point 1 to 3, because we want to point 1 to 3 next, and then 2 will point to 1, which we want. And by doing so, we will have 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. We can update the new head pointer, and the original head will always be at 1. And currently S is now here. So to do the next operation, we need to move the S pointer. So S pointer will be the node that we want to move next, in this case 3. So if you keep doing that, you will eventually get the original head eventually will point to here, and it will be at the last element of the linked list. So we can stop there. Alright, so let's write up the solution. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create some pointers. So we're going to create the new head pointer, which will start at the original head. We're going to create the second pointer, which will start at the second node, so head.next. And it is possible the head is null and head.next is null. So we're going to check that here. So if head is null or head.next is null. So if head.next is null, which means there's only one element in the linked list, and if you reverse it, it's going to be the same. So we can just return head. So now we have the pointers. We're going to iterate through the linked list, and we said that we will stop when the original head is at the last element, or is the last element. So we can have a while loop here. So while head.next isn't null, so this while loops will stop when the head.next is null. So we're gonna do each operation. First, we're gonna point the head's next pointer to 3, in this case, seconds next. So head.next will point to second.next, and then second.next will point to the new head, because we want to bring it to the head of the linked list. So second.next will point to the new head. And then we want to update the new head. The new head will be, so new head is going to be second, in this case 2. So new head will just point to the second pointer. And then lastly, we want to move the second pointer to the next node that we want to move, which is always the next node of the head. So second will move to head.next. And then we will do each operation until the head pointer is the last is at the last element of the linked list. And after that, we can just return the new head, which is going to be at the head of the new reversed linked list. So let's see if this works. Alright, so this was reverse linked list. Thank you for watching.